Hi guys, today we're going to solve this simple differential equation. We are asked to find dy over dx. So for us to be able to solve such kind of a question, we'll have to consider the denominator. You realize that the function has a power which is greater than 1. That means that we cannot be able to use the normal differential rules that we are used to do. So we're going to apply something we call a chain rule. So given y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 1 raised to the power 4. For us to solve this question, we're going to say let 3x, which is the denominator, plus 1 be equals to u. So if 3x plus 1 is equals to u, then our y will be equals to 2 over u raised to the power 4. Now, from here, we can now be able to differentiate this. But the easiest way of doing this is now taking the denominator to the numerator side, which can be written as 2u raised to the power negative 4. Then, if we rewrite the equation, we will have y is equals to 2u raised to the power negative 4. Remembering the rules of differentiation, we will be able to differentiate this, that is y, with respect to u. So we're going to have dy over du, it will be equals to negative 8u raised to the power negative 5. Remember, when you're differentiating any function, the power decreases by 1. So this is our first one. Then, remember, our u is the same as saying 3x plus 1. We are now going to differentiate u with respect to x. Du over dx will be equals to 3. Now, remember, our focus is to get dy over dx. So for me to be able to get dy over dx, I will take dy over du, then I multiply it to du over dx. Then we recall, what is our dy over du? Our dy over du is negative 8u raised to the power negative 5, while our du over dx is equals to 3. So we are going to write multiply by du over dx, which is 3. Therefore, when you multiply the two, we are going to end up with negative 8 times 3, which will translate to negative 24 u raised to the power negative 5. But we have to recall that u was equal to 3x plus 1. So we will substitute where there is u with 3x plus 1. So we're going to end up with dy over dx as negative 24 into 3x plus 1 raised to the power negative 5. This one can also be written as dy over dx is equals to negative 24 over, now since the power is negative, this function can be brought to the denominator side, then we're going to have it as positive 5. And this is going to be the derivative of this function. Thank you. Subscribe, please.